everyone, this is Keely with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda HR-V EXL. The 2019 Honda HR-V EXL has some nice performance specs, like a 141 horsepower, 16-valve SOHC iVTEC engine, available real-time all-wheel drive with intelligent control system. You also get that Eco Assist system, and you get up to 34 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have fog lights. We have a 17-inch unique silver painted alloy wheels. We have the one-touch power moonroof with the tilt feature. We have heated body-colored power side mirrors with integrated turn indicators. And we have that smart entry with walkaway auto lock. Here on the interior, in the back, we have that 60-40 split rear seat back. We have a gorgeous leather interior all around. We have a 7-inch high-resolution display with electrostatic touchscreen and customizable feature settings. We have Bluetooth streaming audio. We have Sirius XM, HD radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and we have that multi-angle rear view camera with dynamic guidelines. The 2019 Honda HR-V EXL comes with Honda Sensing, which gives you some great safety tech, like vehicle stability assist with traction control, front collision warning, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Honda HR-V, the EXL might be perfect for you, so come on down to Honda of Keene for a test drive, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. Cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!